Welcome to Truth or Dare. The main menu presents the game as a clean party card experience. The brand mark appears above the title Truth or Dare, followed by the tagline One card, one choice, no backing out. The user sees three main buttons: Start Game, How to Play, and Settings. At the bottom of the menu, the stats strip shows how many truths and dares have been drawn so far. These counters are saved in the browser, so the menu reflects the player's ongoing session history. The How to Play modal explains the basic flow. The user chooses truth, dare, or random, reveals the card, and reads the prompt aloud. The player then answers honestly or completes the dare before drawing again. The instructions also remind the group to keep challenges safe, consensual, and appropriate. Space can be used to reveal a card or draw the next one. The settings module contains a sound effects option and a reset game stats button. The sound checkbox turns card sounds on or off. Reset game stats clears the save, truth, and dare counters and shows a toast confirming that the stats were reset. When the user starts the game, the top bar shows a back button, the title area, and a sound toggle button. The title area says truth or dare and reminds the user to draw a card. The back button returns to the main menu, and the sound button switches sound on or off. The game stage begins with three choice tabs: truth, dare, and random. Truth is marked with a diamond, dare is marked with a triangle, and random is marked with a sparkle. The active choice is highlighted, and changing the choice resets the current card. In the center, the card is face down with the message Choose Your Fate and tap to reveal. The card can be clicked directly, or the user can press the Reveal Card button below it. The cover includes truth and dare corner marks, reinforcing the card game feel. When the card is revealed, it flips over. The reveal side shows the card type, an icon for truth or dare, the challenge text, and an intensity meter. The intensity meter uses five small bars, with more active bars meaning a stronger or more personal prompt. Sum and per. If truth is selected, the card draws from the truth deck and asks a personal question. If dare is selected, the card draws from the dare deck and gives the player an action to perform. If random is selected, the game chooses either truth or dare automatically. Every revealed card increases the matching counter. Truth cards increase the truth count, and dare cards increase the dare count. The score strip at the bottom updates immediately, so the group can see how many of each type has appeared during play. After a card is revealed, reveal card is hidden and draw another appears. The user can press draw another, click the card again, or press space to reset the card and prepare for the next prompt. Truth or Dare is simple, polished party game built around quick choices, clear prompts, saved play stats, and a smooth card reveal. It keeps the focus on the group while making each turn feel like a small moment of suspense.